How can independent hotels encourage repeat guests without a loyalty program? Discover easy, low cost ways to create emotional loyalty that brings guests back. Now, don't forget to subscribe to the Hotelier Helpcast YouTube channel and ring that bell so you never miss an episode. Ever wonder why some guests keep coming back while others vanish into the online booking abyss? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on what actually drives repeat bookings. And no, it's not just about fluffier pillows. Stick around for a simple loyalty building tip at the end that costs nothing but works wonders. So, what makes repeat guests so valuable? Let's not beat around the bush. Repeat guests are gold. They're cheaper to retain, easier to please, and often they're your biggest fans. And here's the kicker: most hotels spend 80% of their budget attracting new guests and barely a blip on retaining the ones who are already impressed. Sound familiar? What percentage of your guests in the last quarter were repeats? If you're not sure, it's time to start tracking. Memory triggers. It's the secret sauce of loyalty. Now, here's where psychology kicks in. People don't return because of logic, they return about how you made them feel. Ever had a guest say, "We just love it here"? Emotional imprinting at work. Maybe it was the smell of the fresh muffins in the morning, or that chat at check-in about their dog named Waffles. Humans remember experiences more than amenities, so give them something to remember. One small town inn leaves a handwritten note with the weather forecast on each pillow. It's simple, unexpected, but memorable. The familiarity bias. You can use it to your advantage. Have you ever noticed how people rewatch the same sitcoms? It's not laziness, it's comfort. Guests aren't looking for surprises, they're seeking certainty. They know what to expect from your place. No crossed fingers, no booking roulette. That's your edge as an independent hotel. Add one tiny ritual: a free espresso at check-in, a warm cookie at 9 p.m., or calling your guests by name. You're suddenly the warm blanket in the cold travel world. Are you tired of feeling like your hotel's running? Join my free training webinar. From chaos to control, the 3 fixes every hotel owner needs to boost bookings and cut stress. Register now. You can find a link in the show notes. Are you recognizing repeat guests properly? Now here's a hotel horror story. A frequent guest books direct every month. One day they walk in and the new front desk team asks, "Have you stayed with us before?" Here's where you cue the inner scream. Recognition is currency. Here's a tip. Use tags in your PMS. Repeat guests. Add notes. Train staff to say, "Welcome back, Mr. Zhang. Great to see you again." It costs nothing. Feels like everything. Rewards versus relationships. Which wins? Yes, a loyalty card with every 6th night free is nice, but emotional loyalty beats transactional loyalty every time. A free night gets a guest in the door. A genuine connection makes them want to return. One hotel owner sends a handwritten birthday card to repeat guests. The ROI? Sky high. The effort? 5 minutes and a stamp. Now here's the tip I promised. Create a guest of the month wall. Frame a Polaroid. Watch how many people want to get featured. What's one small ritual or recognition you could introduce this week to make your guests feel remembered? Let me know in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Repeat guests cost less to retain. Emotion trumps amenities. Familiarity creates comfort. Recognition equals repeat business. Loyalty is personal, not just points. Think about it. A repeat guest isn't just a booking. They're a walking billboard. They rave, they review, they return. And when you get this right, you not only boost revenue, you build a fabulous fan base. Ready to make your hotel unforgettable? Dive deeper into the hotel owner's roadmap. 90 days to more bookings, more time, and less stress course. It's packed with templates, checklists, and strategies for hotel success. Want to go further? Check out this post. How can you turn guests' complaints into loyalty opportunities? Episode 69. You can find all past episodes on the Hotelier Helpcast website. Subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. If you found this valuable, feel free to buy us a coffee. We'll toast to you in our next episode.